Yo, what's good with y'all niggas? I'm not finna sugarcoat shit. No intro. I'm not. This shit on me. I'm just showing y'all niggas how to do this. So, I'm showing y'all niggas how to sound like iayze, Jace, however the fuck you wanna say his name. Top kid shit. So, this is how it's sounding without the preset. So, chill out. Hold
Fuck, call me, I'ma go and drill that boy. I know.
Damn, why the fuck? See, it's spoiling shit, bro. Hold on. You nigga pissing me the fuck off, so. Yeah, basically put the. All you gotta do is turn the auto up. It's already on a fucking preset since I forgot to take it off. Put it on this one. I'm gonna put the shit in the description, y'all ain't even gotta worry about it. Put it back. Shout out Zoya. The fuck? This is how it's gonna sound with the preset. If y'all want the ad-libs too, oh man, I'll drop them. It don't matter. So yeah, that's basically how you sound like Jace, iayze, and that's it. What's up, niggers?